So just taking a quick look at Polygon on our daily time frame, as we can see, very much looking like we are consolidating at these lows here. We're coming down to try and fill this previous wick somewhat, but we haven't actually got down there. There's a lot of, I think there's quite a lot of buying pressure coming in for Polygon in this area towards the range low of the bear market. Obviously you can see here coming down and getting pretty much into that previous range low. The huge bullish divergences for the whole market coming in the local area as well. You can see here, obviously we came back up, popped back up out of our downtrend resistance for the first time in such a long time, touched our 100 moving average and the 0.23 Fibonacci here. We came down, made some lower lows on the price action, higher lows on our RSI, and very much, in my opinion, looking like we're probably going to get a pop back to the upside in this area, probably back up into this area up here at around the 0.23 towards 50 cents over the next few weeks. I do think we are way too overextended to the downside for Polygon, and it's not really even dipping today with Bitcoin having some bearish price action today. We haven't seen even that much volume at all for Polygon today. I think it's probably just going to have a pop back up like this pretty soon, just like it did here. Obviously we've seen the signs of life breaking the downtrend structure, and I do think we'll probably see a reversal in this area for this big W double bottom pattern. Like and subscribe for more.